Hello everyone, my name is Ganesh Verma. I live near Charminar, Hyderabad. My age is 20 and I am pursuing degree, and my interests are in acting, dancing and modeling. And my hobbies are reading, exploring new things. No, not yet, but I am interested in with doing it. My confidence is all about me and how I'm showing to people. And in modeling, I think it's teach all about more confidence, body language, and all. I'm very irritable person that I am interested in gym, but not yet try. Gym and physics both are important for the models, and I'm doing started yet. Model is about to show yourself to the world, and it's tell the that how you looks beautiful to the world. And here I have learned many things about how to show, how to express your feelings, gestures and all. So modeling is all about exploring yourself and your beauty.